Okay guys, I'm back again with another video. It's your boy TMK Money guys. On today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make money on this new platform guys. As you can see now, I'm mining TRX guys. As you can see, it's miner is running. So guys, I will show you how to make money on this platform. It's still new guys, you can still grab it now. It's still new guys. So guys, when you register on this platform, they're gonna get you 9,000 TRX, and that's, I think it's worth like 4,000 rand or 5,000. I think it's 5,000 rand, 6,000 rand. So guys, but you cannot withdraw this money. I wanna be like be open with you. You cannot withdraw this 9,000 TRX. You need to activate the mining guys. You need to activate. So you need to at least deposit $5. Deposit $5 guys, or deposit $10 if you have on your budget. You can to deposit guys, you're gonna click where they say deposit. You're gonna click where they say deposit. I don't know why this network is slow guys, slowly, so I don't know. Okay, you're gonna click where they say deposit, and then to withdraw guys, as you can see, it's straightforward guys, straightforward. But first of all, you need a wallet guys. What wallet do you need? You need a Trust wallet guys, or a Binance wallet, or a Clever wallet. So but the one I recommend is a Trust wallet and also a Binance wallet, just because those two wallets is the wallets that we're gonna use to withdraw this money into our local bank account here in South Africa. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get these wallets and also how to register, but not on this video guys. On this video I'm just gonna give you this website, and guys, so that you can start earning. So but I think tomorrow or the next day, I'm just gonna make the video how to register a Trust wallet and also a Binance wallet, so that we can get this money guys. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So guys, as you can see on this platform guys, there are like 3 ways to make money. The other number one way is to come on this platform every day guys, and make sure that your mining is still active guys. Make sure your mining is still active. So now mine is still active, it's still mining now guys, it's still mining now. So make sure that on your mining site is still active. As you can see, mine is active now. So I get 9.00 every day. So minus 10% guys, that's the money that I get each and every day guys, each and every day. So another way to make money is to like copy the link guys, copy the link and invite your friends to the website. That's another way to make money on this platform. As you can see, you can share this on Facebook, on Twitter, and also using that one called what is this, I forgot this one. Okay, so guys, you're gonna click where they say deposit. Let me show you how to deposit. You can count. There are 2 ways to deposit guys here. 2 ways: transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. So this two sections here guys is either you transfer your money to the promotion account. What is the promotion account? That's the account that they use to fund you with free money. That money that they give you, that 9,000 money that they give you, that's a promotion account. So transfer to basic account. Basic account guys is the account that you having guys on your app guys. That's the account that you having. So now guys, this is the method that I use to deposit on this platform. So it's either you use RMB, and that's this currency I think is available on Binance guys. It's available on Binance, which I'm going to show you later on guys. So another way is TRX guys. Is TRX guys. You can get TRX on Trust wallet. That's why I'm saying that you need a Trust wallet, so that you can buy a TRX, and then you can transfer the TRX to this platform, and then you're gonna start buying your machine. That's easy as that. And also ETC, that's Ethereum. It's Ethereum guys, ETH. That's Ethereum. You can also use Ethereum to deposit on this platform, and also TRC20 USDT. That's the one that I use to deposit. So you can get these currencies on Trust Wallet. So that's why I'm saying you need a Trust Wallet. Go and download a Trust Wallet. You're gonna get it on Play Store. Go and download a Trust Wallet, and then on Trust Wallet you're gonna buy these currencies, and then you're gonna transfer them to this platform so that you can start activating your machine, so that you can this one can mine the money, so that you can withdraw your money, guys. That's what you need to do, because you cannot just like look at this 9,000 TRX here, guys, just looking at it just like that. We need this money, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll make another video and show you guys how to create this wallets, guys, how to create it. Simple as that. You just need your information. So another way, guys, to make money, I hope you understand. I hope you understand how to do this. Please keep it in mind, you cannot withdraw this money. You can't withdraw. I have tried it. You cannot withdraw. So I just searched the information, and they say that you need to first like put $5 on this platform for you to withdraw your money, and then activate your machine. That's simple as that, guys. That's simple as that. So guys, let me show you that what I'm sure is legit. Let me show you that I'm not capping or something like that. I'm just gonna go to my Clever wallet and show you the money that I get on this kind of platforms that I share on my channel. Just gonna come. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. So please, you're gonna use Facebook to promote this platform if you don't have something to promote. Also, you can even use TikTok. You can use a lot of so TikTok is a number one platform right now, guys. So if you want to promote something, you can go to TikTok and do that, guys. That's the number one platform for now, guys, to promote. You can get a lot of commissions on TikTok. You can make a lot of money on TikTok. Doesn't want me to show. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, this is the money that I have now. I have 25 USDT. As you can see, 6 days ago they just sent me this one. 6 days ago I just received this one. As you can see, what they say to receive, it was confirmed, and another one is 20 USDT 19 days ago, guys. So the total that I have is 45 USDT, and then that's one is 776. That's 776 rand in South Africa. So that is the money that I have now on this account, getting this money from that I share on my channel. So sometimes I withdraw, but now I'm left with 776 rand, guys. So guys, this is the money that I made on this kind of platform that I showed you here, guys. So please keep it in mind. Make sure, guys, make sure you cannot withdraw that money. You need at least $5 to withdraw that money. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you in the next video. You know, I love you all. It's been a while I wasn't posting, but now I promise to be consistent. I'll see you on the next video, guys. I love you all.